Welcome to the world of funky feet, where every sock tells a story and every stitch is a step towards creativity and sustainability. Today, we're diving deep into the fascinating anatomy of cost and manufacturing, specifically how Funky Feet navigates the intricate web of expenses to bring you those vibrant, stylish socks you love. So, grab a comfy seat, maybe even put on your favorite pair of Funky Feet socks, and let's unravel the mysteries behind cost structure and manufacturing. First up, let's talk about direct materials. Imagine you're crafting a masterpiece. Every brushstroke counts, right? Well, in manufacturing, those brushstrokes are the raw materials that come together to create your finished product. For Funky Feet, direct materials are the essential ingredients that make our socks not just functional but fabulous. We're talking about high quality cotton that's soft and breathable, nylon that adds durability and stretch, elastic to keep everything snug, and dyes that bring those eye-popping colors to life. Now, why are these materials significant? Think of cotton as the cozy hug your feet need, while nylon gives your socks that long-lasting resilience. Each material plays a vital role in ensuring that Funky Feet socks not only look good but also feel great and stand the test of time. So, how do we calculate a direct materials cost? Well, let's say we're producing 1,000 pairs of socks. We take the quantity of cotton, nylon, and other materials used, multiply them by their respective prices, and voila, we have our direct materials cost. This insight helps Funky Feet make smart procurement decisions, ensuring we deliver quality without breaking the bank. Next, let's lace up our shoes and step into the world of direct labor costs. Imagine the skilled hands that meticulously craft each pair of socks. Our dedicated workforce operates the machinery, assembles the socks, and conducts quality checks to ensure that every pair meets our high standards. But labor costs aren't just about wages. They encompass benefits like health insurance, retirement plans, and even the little perks that keep our team motivated and happy. So, how do we break down these costs? Let's say our average wage rate is $15 per hour, and our hardworking team puts in 1,000 hours. By multiplying those hours by the wage rate, we get our total direct labor costs. This calculation is crucial because it allows Funky Feet to manage labor expenses effectively, ensuring we maintain our commitment to quality while keeping our workforce satisfied. Now, let's shift gears and explore overhead costs. These are the unsung heroes of manufacturing, the expenses that keep the wheels turning but aren't tied directly to the production of a specific product. Think rent for our state-of-the-art facility, utilities to keep the lights on, maintenance to ensure our machines run smoothly, and insurance to protect our assets. Each of these costs plays a pivotal role in supporting our operations. For instance, let's say Funky Feet pays $4,000 in rent, $2,000 for utilities, and $1,500 for maintenance each month. When we add these up, we get a clearer picture of our monthly overhead costs, which total $9,000. Understanding these expenses is key to optimizing our operations and ensuring we're making smart financial decisions. Now, here's where things get really interesting, allocating those overhead costs. It's like dividing a pizza among friends. You want to make sure everyone gets their fair share, right? By allocating overhead costs to individual production units, Funky Feet can accurately determine the true cost of each pair of socks. We can use methods like direct labor hours, machine hours, or production volume to distribute these costs fairly. Let's say we produced 10,000 pairs of socks and decided to allocate $2 of manufacturing overhead per pair. That means we're assigning $20,000 of overhead costs to those socks. This allocation helps us understand the complete picture of our production costs, enabling us to make informed decisions about pricing and profitability. Speaking of profitability, let's talk about total cost calculation. This is where we bring everything together: direct materials, direct labor, and manufacturing overhead. For instance, if our direct materials cost per pair is $3.50, direct labor cost is $2, and manufacturing overhead allocation is $2.50, we can easily calculate the total cost per unit. Adding those numbers up, we find that the total cost per pair of Funky Feet socks is $8. But why is this important? Understanding the total cost empowers Funky Feet to set competitive prices while ensuring we maintain healthy profit margins. It's all about striking that delicate balance between affordability for our customers and sustainability for our business. Now, let's take a step back and reflect on why understanding cost structure is crucial for a manufacturing company like Funky Feet. It's not just about crunching numbers, it's about making informed decisions that drive our success. By analyzing our direct materials, labor, overhead, and total costs, we can optimize our production processes, negotiate better deals with suppliers, and explore cost-saving measures. This understanding allows us to enhance our competitiveness in the ever-evolving fashion industry. As Funky Feet continues to grow, we remain committed to creativity, quality, and sustainability. Our cost structure insights empower us to deliver high-quality products at prices that resonate with our customers. In conclusion, the anatomy of cost and manufacturing is a complex but essential framework for companies like Funky Feet. By dissecting direct materials, labor, overhead, and total costs, we gain valuable insights that guide our operations and decision-making processes. We're not just making socks, we're crafting experiences that reflect our values and resonate with our audience. So, the next time you slip on a pair of funky feet socks, remember the journey they've taken, from the careful selection of materials to the skilled hands that brought them to life. Every pair is a testament to our commitment to quality, creativity, and sustainability. Thank you for joining me on this exploration of cost structure in manufacturing. If you're interested in learning more about how we optimize our operations, or want to dive deeper into the world of manufacturing, check out our blog for more insights. And remember, every step you take in Funky Feet socks is one towards comfort, style, and a more sustainable future.